So finally, I uploaded yesterday video that Capgemini XLR off campus 3 role 2025, but this role is different because this is only for finance role. But I am going to tell you about the associate software engineer, which is absolutely new hiring coming from Capgemini. So watch video till end, because if you see experienced professional is written there, but you can easily apply if you are an entry level student. So watch video till end, otherwise you will never get to see this type of opportunity again, because in this video there is not only one, there is a CAE2 hiring is announced, software engineering, AI automation, one more global data, and one more hiring is there, graduate apprenticeship trainee. So first of all, I want to cover CAE because 2 role hiring is announced, and this is software engineering developer and intern role is there. If you scroll down, J2EE and Oracle SQL is compulsory. If you see grad or post grad, both is eligible. Fresher who graduate in 2025 or currently in the final year, means 25-26, both is eligible, and this is an apprentice and this is an internship. After that they will give you full-time opportunity, and the location is Bangalore. But many things you have to put in resume, like automation, simple automation using AI, ज़्यादा कुछ advanced भी नहीं है, सिर्फ good knowledge of SOAP, RESTful API, GCP, AWS is preferred. You can easily put anyone programming Python or Java, or visualization tool is compulsory. Put all these domain in resume, and internship will be carried out in hybrid mode, means work from office plus work from home, or only Indian citizens are eligible to apply. If you see one more thing that they are looking for an intern, ठीक है, तो ये internship है, इसका मतलब है your interview will be very easy, but you have to apply because there is shortlisting. You have to put all these domain which I already told you. So this is the software developer intern, and second one is AI automation engineering intern. So if you scroll down, Bangalore location is there. So this is the main thing: Python, Power Automate, Excel or API, AI, LLM or automation concept, and problem solving, communication, documentation is compulsory. If you scroll down again, grad, post grad is eligible. Fresher who grad in 25 or currently in the final year, means 25-26, both is eligible in this AI automation also. Or internship hai, and Bangalore location is there. This is also work from home plus work from office. So if you see that CAE thanks all candidates for the interest, however only those selected for an interview will be contacted. देखो सिंपल सी बात है, this is not a direct test or not a round 1 online assessment. This is the, if you get shortlist, this is direct interview. Suppose I get shortlisting mail, then after day 1 or after day 2 I will receive the direct interview virtual interview mail. यहाँ पर भी same वही है. If you see, only those selected for an interview will be contacted. So what you have to do, just put all these domain. If you are applying for software developer, put these domain. If you are applying for AI automation, then add these domain, which is very compulsory. और बता दूँ, this is the very easiest role and very easiest basic level of required skill or responsibilities is there. That's why they will not accept advanced level of knowledge in an interview. That's why interview is very easy. So put all your domain to get the shortlisting mail, because direct interview is going on, and this type of opportunity you will never get to see anywhere. So please do subscribe my channel. So Capgemini just announced associate software engineer role, but here is written experienced professional. Job ID is also there, and Mumbai location is there. So what you have to do, I will tell you. But scroll down, as you can see that this is the entry level in software engineering with a foundation understanding of concept is compulsory. So here is written entry level. It means 0 to 1 year of experience is needed. If you are from 25-24, you can easily apply. Software design, software development, means SDLC, waterfall, agile methodology is compulsory. And if you see like these are your responsibilities. बाकी ये अगर तुम कर रहे हो ना, concept, anyone programming, design, development, web technologies, then सब कुछ आ जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. बस ये जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन एक बार रीड कर लेना, और कुछ भी नहीं करना है तुम्हें. यहाँ पर भी तुम्हें एंट्री लेवल मिल जाएगा और नीचे भी तुम्हें एंट्री लेवल मिल जाएगा. सो दिस इज योर जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन. मे बी 2 बार इन लोग ने ऐड कर दिया, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. तो एक रीड कर लेना, ये तुम्हारा जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन है. दैट यू हैव टू बिल्ड स्किल एक्सपर्टीज इन सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग. प्योर IT रोल है, बता दूं. प्रोग्रामिंग, डेटाबेस, फ्रंट एंड बैक एंड नॉलेज इज कंपल्सरी. ओनली बेसिक if you have, but you want to add that domain, भले ही even you have a basic knowledge, but already here is at entry level. It means you have to put only basic level of knowledge in resume, not advanced. but अगर ये करोगे तो ज़्यादा shortlisting के चांस हो गए. अब don't apply manually, take this reference code, go to LinkedIn and ask employee of Capgemini that please give me referral, this is the job ID, this is my updated resume, and send them the personal email ID in which you have to take the referral. That's it. उसके बाद वो then they will give you the referral definitely. So please send 15, 16 or 20, 25 employee of Capgemini and take the referral for ASE role, because yesterday role is for non-tech students. That's why I did research और यहाँ पे मुझे ASE role मिल गया. तुम्हारे हिसाब का जाओ अप्लाई करो इसके लिए. So global data announced big mass opportunity. opportunity because Hyderabad location is their permanent full time opportunity and if you see that closing date is 14th of 2 क्योंकि ये पोस्ट की गई थी 27 दिन पहले और यहाँ पे दे दिया गया था कि भाई 1 महीने में बंद होगी, कल ये लास्ट डेट होने वाली है। प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर रिपोर्ट करना है, मतलब ये तुम्हारा एक तरीके से IT रोल है। तो अगर स्क्रॉल करोगे 0 to 1 year ऑफ ए बैकग्राउंड इन माइनिंग इंडस्ट्री, एनालिटिकल स्किल MS ऑफिस, एक्सेल, पावर पॉइंट इज कंपलसरी एंड रिसर्चिंग स्किल इज मस्ट। ठीक है, तो जब यहाँ पे देखोगे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज लाइक व्हाट यू विल बी डू, तो एसोसिएट एनालिस्ट इन माइनिंग टीम। अब ये माइनिंग क्या होती है कि थोड़ा सा बता दूं, देखो पहले तो ये समझो कि कम्युनिकेशन इंटरपर्सनल स्किल इज कंपलसरी। नाउ अब आ जाती है इस चीज में कि कल्टीवेट डीप डोमेन एक्सपर्टीज विद द मेंटल माइनिंग सेक्टर। ये थोड़ा सा मुझे पता नहीं है, एक बार देख लेना, बट इतना है कि प्रोड्यूस इम्पैक्टफुल रिसर्च आउटपुट इंक्लूडिंग डेटा सेट एंड रिपोर्ट। तो अगर तुम यहाँ एक्सेल देख रहे हो तो यू हैव टू जनरेट अ रिपोर्ट, यू हैव टू टेक द डेटा एंड गिव द मीनिंगफुल रिजल्ट और मीनिंगफुल आउटपुट, बस इतना ही है और कुछ भी नहीं है। ठीक है, सो प्लीज अप्लाई फॉर दिस हायरिंग, दिस इज मेगा बल्क अपॉर्चुनिटी, डोंट टेक रेफरल बिकॉज टुमारो इज द लास्ट डेट, अप्लाई as soon as possible, maybe you will see the round 1 mail definitely, just update your resume and hit the apply button, quick apply पे क्लिक करके अप्लाई करो। लास्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी कमिंग फ्रॉम साइन वर्स, बट वेट अ मिनट, ग्रेजुएट अप्रेंटिसशिप ट्रेनिंग इज देयर, बेंगलोर लोकेशन इज देयर, दिस इज गुड, 1 year ऑफ अप्रेंटिसशिप इज देयर, this is also good, but scroll down and check this, full time grad with first class throughout their academics। ठीक है, कंप्यूटर साइंस IT BA और साइबर सिक्योरिटी IT सारे एलिजिबल है, बट कैंडिडेट शुड हैव पास each semester each year in first attempt only, there is no backlog। ठीक है, ग्रेजुएट कैन नॉट सक्सीड 3 year of completion their education to be eligible and graduate apprenticeship is their final year engineering examination in the year of selection। तो सिंपल सी बात है, इसमें सारे परसुइंग कैंडिडेट वालों को नहीं कह सकते, ओनली 26-25 बैचेस एलिजिबल, बट ऑल दिस डोमेन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस सूट सारे कर देना, एक्सेल, पावर पॉइंट, वर्ड, एंड यू विल सी द शॉर्टलिस्टिंग मेल डेफिनेटली, बट यू हैव टू फर्स्ट अपडेट योर रेज्यूमे एंड प्लीज रीड दिस शॉर्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन अबाउट योर रोल एंड वन मोर थिंग, डू hit the apply button but update your resume and nothing you have to do, just put interpersonal skill because this is somehow tech support role is here, so please hit the apply button after updating your resume। So please apply for global data ASE role of Capgemini and 2 role CAE mass hiring, applied as soon as possible। Yesterday I uploaded one more video that Thinkative direct refer I didn't, if you did not reach the video, so go to the video section, applied IBM direct test, or means direct test भी और direct interview है, many candidates receive the direct interview of IBM, go and apply it, check out if you did not received। और यहाँ पे भी देख लो Amazon की direct test opportunity, yesterday I already told you, if you didn't watch it yet, go and apply it as soon as possible, link in the description box of this video, hit this video, go to the video section, check out whether you watched these videos or not, if not then hit on the video and understand each and everything, then go to the description box, hit the link and apply it as soon as possible, that's it, thanks for watching।